would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails.
Hi guys, welcome back to Simply Neat. Today's video I'm doing an undecorate and clean with me. So just wanted to hop on here and give you guys some motivation. I had just got home from work and wanted to take down all the fall decor. It was just one of those things where I've been telling myself to take the fall decor down so I'll have a clean slate before I decorate for Christmas, but just never got to it. So I'm doing that tonight, just getting it done while Eleni's at dance. So for this fall, I actually put up a fall and decorate with me for the front porch, but I never put up anything for the house. But honestly, each year I'm just doing less and less just because I don't like accumulating a lot of decor, as well as trying to find somewhere to store it, honestly, because we live in such a small house. So this year, all I did was add a couple accent pieces to each room, just a few fall decor pieces to each room. I do get a little bit more colorful with Eleni's room. If you guys are new here, Eleni is my little girl, and she's 3 years old, and she's definitely full of joy. So in her room, I do add a little bit of color, but most of the time with the rest of the house, I'll do like the neutral colors, like a gray, a white, sometimes like the burlap brown I like as well. If you are loving this video so far, I would love for you to subscribe. I post about all things organization, cleaning motivation, DIYs, you name it. If you're looking for some inspiration, you'll definitely love it here. I also want to tell you guys, I did just purchase this desktop, so I'm super excited to download a new editing software and give you guys a little bit more as far as my videos go. So I'm super excited about that. I ended up going with the HP. I was definitely trying to decide whether I wanted to go with the HP or an Apple, but I ended up going with the HP, and I'm loving it so far. So let me know if you guys can definitely tell a difference. The next few videos are videos I've already had recorded, so I won't be editing with those videos, but definitely coming up in the beginning of December and all of December as well, I'll be using the new software, so I would love to hear you guys' feedback on it. So all I'm doing here is just taking down the fall pieces in each room, and then what I'm doing is putting them all back in the bedroom and just putting everything on the dresser. That just helps me have a catch-all space so I don't get overwhelmed when taking down the decor. And then what I'll do is I'll just put everything in a tub and then take it to the storage building. That seems to be the easiest method for me, so I don't get overwhelmed with decor. And I think that's sort of kind of why I've been minimizing a lot of decor as well, just because I get overwhelmed very easily. I don't really talk about it much, but I actually do suffer from anxiety. I wouldn't say I was definitely severe, because I know some people definitely have like panic attacks and things like that. So nothing like that, but I definitely try to keep a minimum lifestyle just so I can make sure everything's in order and keep things organized and tidy. So let me know in the comments below if keeping a nice tidy home definitely helps out with that as well for you. Another thing I want to mention, that my plant is going strong. So I purchased this angel plant about 3 months ago. You guys, I do not have any type of gardening skills. I usually kill every type of plant that I purchase, but this one was recommended from a lady at work, and she said that is very low maintenance as far as keeping it water and things like that. So I definitely wanted to add some natural greenery, some real greenery in other words. So I've been keeping that alive and watering it about once a week or once every 2 weeks. It definitely doesn't need much water or much sunlight. So if you're looking for some type of plant that is low maintenance, that's definitely the one to go for. But what I'm doing here is going ahead and, like I said, putting everything up. And what I do is I don't necessarily wrap all my glass decor, which I probably should, but it's been working fine and I don't find any broken pieces the next year. I'll usually take a bathroom mat or some type of soft blanket that is going into the storage area, and I'll just put that on top of the basket just to keep everything secure in the tub, and that seems to be working just fine.
Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a and take a break or a little vacation and change.
So I wanted to go ahead and finish out my cleaning night routine with you guys. Mainly my night routine consists of just tidying up the house, also loading and reloading the dishwasher, which is just as worse as laundry, honestly, but we get it done every night because I do have to have some dishes clean for in the morning for taking it to work. So I always have to make sure I turn the dishwasher on at night, and sometimes I definitely forget, but it is in my cleaning routine at nighttime. The cleaning spray that I've been using lately is, I went back to Mrs. Meyer's. I've been switching it up a little bit just because I couldn't find Mrs. Meyer's whenever I do the Walmart grocery pickup order. So usually I'll have to walk into Target, and I'm trying not to do that as much with everything going on. So I've actually been using the Method Cleaner, or I'll get like Spring Clean, I think is the brand. But I went back to Mrs. Meyer's. I definitely want to say that that's one of my favorite all-purpose sprays. It's like no matter what I use, Mrs. Meyer's is always my go-to. So if you are looking for like a non-toxic all-purpose spray, Mrs. Meyer's is definitely the way to go. And I actually want to mention that microfiber cloth. This will actually be my newest product that I'll be launching in December, and I would have to say that if you have been using e-cloth, you will definitely like my cloth, if not more. It's definitely going to be more affordable. It also absorbs water better. I feel like when I use other microfiber cloths, it doesn't absorb the water really good whenever you're wiping something down. That was one thing I wanted to make sure it did. Also, I feel like when I use other microfiber cloths, it does leave streaks sometimes, especially if you don't wipe it a certain way. So you have to sort of have a certain technique, but I made sure that my microfiber cloth will not do that. So as soon as you wipe it, you don't have to worry about streaks or watermarks being left on surfaces. So I'm super excited to be getting this product out to you guys, hopefully next month, if not the beginning of the year, just to reset for the beginning of the year. I do have some exciting videos for you guys in December. I'm also thinking about maybe starting to post 3 days a week versus 2, so let me know if you guys would like that. Also, I want to mention I did post some new templates on my Etsy shop. They are actually Christmas related, so if you are trying to get that Christmas gift list done or just start a daily to-do for December, you'll definitely like those. I'll put those in the description box below if you want to check those out. Also want to mention that I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do for my Christmas decor. So I want you guys to let me know down below what your colors are for Christmas. I was thinking about an all white Christmas or maybe like a golden white. So give me some ideas in the comments below.
I need my cake and eat it too, but a little time will be enough for me to prove.
I want to thank you guys for staying for the full video, and it definitely means a lot. I hope this video gave you some motivation to get something done today, if that's just simply making your bed. Also want to say, if nobody's told you today, you are enough, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.